let it wash. Now I've set it to 15 minutes. So the clothes are already done. So I'm going to take them out from here, then take them to the bathroom and rinse them out from there. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to bring you along with me as I'm doing the laundry, because I felt like I get motivation when I record a video doing any type of work. It gives me motivation to work on that specified task without feeling tired or feeling discouraged. So I brought you along with me, so it's kind of motivation based video for me, and I hope you understand. So for those of you who think or who do things the way I do, because I feel like I'm kind of weird, I always do things that not normal people do, please comment down below and tell me that I'm not abnormal. Tell me that I'm normal, please. So continue watching the video as I do the laundry. Thanks for stopping by. For those who are new here, my name is Penny and this is the Housewife Cave. I'm a housewife and also a mother, and I work at home. Yeah, that's basically it. I do other things apart from making YouTube videos. I own a business. I sell kids hair bands, hair bows, anything that makes the kids beautiful, anything that makes their hair look beautiful. I make them and sell them. I also have an Instagram page for that. It's called Palms Kids Hair Accessories. You can go check our handle there and see what kind of things we sell there. I also write articles for other people. Yes, I do blog writing for other people. I don't have a website, but I do it for other people at a certain price. So let's continue watching. Thanks for stopping by. That was just a little introduction about myself for those who are wondering who I am. Now, when I tell you I'm the weirdest person you'll ever find on the face of this earth, I mean exactly that. You see, me, I don't even select the clothing. I always take all of them as long as it's the right capacity that fills the washing machine. I don't have time for separating clothes unless that cloth is a fast color and it does how do you say, inatoa rangi. Yes, that one, inatoa rangi. Kama haitoi rangi, whether ni white, whether ni black, whether ni blue, whether ni red, zote ndani ya washing machine. First of all, sahi maisha imekuwa ngumu, hakuna time ya kuwaste sabuni, hakuna time ya kuwaste money, nini maji. We are trying as much as possible to save that shilling, that 1 shilling, so that it can do something else that is important in the budget. So me, I just put all of them inside there. Zenye ni first color, I just wash them separately by hand. And I don't even, nowadays, I don't purchase any cloth that is first color, because I know it will give me a hectic time washing it and I want it to be very fast. I don't have time to waste. I have other things to do. So kila kitu ni mbio mbio. Don't mind my way of washing. It might not be as yours. Everybody does their things in their own way. So respect other people's way of living, way of doing things, because it works for them. And whatever works for you Do you? That is good. Mke nyumbani amemaliza kuosha manguo. Yes, amemaliza kufua, I know. Kuosha, kufua, si zote ni the same. Yes, hapa I finished washing the clothes, cleaning or rinsing the clothes. And because if I get out of this bathroom without washing it, who knows? I might not wash it until the next day. So I need to wash this bathroom. And kwa kawaida, me I usually wash the walls using a brush. And if you have noticed, the walls don't have tiles. And they kind of look dirty, but it's not that. That is paint coming out because of constantly washing the walls with brush. And there's no other way I can clean this bathroom, because we usually go take a bath in this bathroom. The soap just splatters on the wall, dirt and everything. So I have to wash these walls if I want to have a safe bathing process. And I don't mean bathing as in bathing kuzano. I mean bathing as in kuoga. Yes, if I want to feel safe in this bathroom, I really have to wash that wall. And I have to wash it thoroughly, because that water has soap, and also it has chlorine, sodium hypochlorite. Yeah, that is jik, for those of you who like calling them that. That is jik. So I have to clean and disinfect the bathroom. The look might not be that pleasant, because wait, I can't do anything about it. It's a rental place, and I'm not about to use any money right now with this economy. You can't risk. And we have kids in school. They need stationaries, they need fees. There are many things that need money. Not renovating a rental place. Even if it was my place, I wouldn't have renovated it at this time, because I know that money could have done something elsewhere. So I usually wash the floor using scoring powder. It doesn't matter which brand, but I didn't like this brand. I'm even looking forward to it getting finished, because it doesn't have a nice smell. It smells like medicine. I didn't like it at all. I love Vim. I also love Sunlight. Very nice smell. So the scoring powder also, I use the scoring powder also for the toilet. It does clean my toilet. I don't need to buy the Harpic, because after washing the toilet with the scoring powder, I usually pour in the sodium hypochlorite to disinfect it. And again, I usually wash this toilet each and every day. And we are only the three of us that use this toilet. And in most cases during the day, I rarely use this toilet. I don't know why, but I rarely use toilets often. I only go like in the morning and in the evening. That's it. I don't know why, but that's me. That's why I told you I'm a weird person. But I love myself like that. I love myself like that. I've not washed that part. And the wall, I'm going to close the door, then wash it. So now, see the system, the toilet system isn't working, and I did plug the water inlet because it was dripping. This one had broken, and the owner doesn't want to repair it. Now what I'm going to do is, this one will just stay there. It will just stay there. I won't do anything about it. I'll be just using this water from the tap to pour it in the toilet. But I wanted to add a bidet, or do they call it bidet or bidet? This thing here, the Shataf, yes, this one here. I wanted to connect it from here, and I don't know what plug should I buy for this one. This one is for cleaning, best for women, especially women. So if you live in the Arabic countries, you know what this is. But nowadays, everybody knows what this is. Not everybody, but I think 90% of people in Kenya know what this is. So I wanted to connect it here, and I'm still looking for the, I don't know, it's a half or what. I don't know the name of this thing here, so that I can connect. I checked the Shataf itself, the connection doesn't match with this. So I have to find something like this. Yes, something like this, then without this, so that I can connect it directly from here. And then instead of using tissue paper alone, I use tissue paper together with water to clean.